Which fruit can be red, green, or yellow? Over 7,500 varieties of apples are grown worldwide. What fruit do you see? Pineapple. One pineapple takes about 18 to 24 months to mature. What fruit do you see? Rambutan. The hair on rambutan is soft, not sharp. Watermelons are mostly water. True or false? True. Watermelons are over 90% water. Which fruit is eaten the most in the world? Bananas are the most eaten fruit worldwide. Bananas grow on trees. True or false? False. Bananas grow on a giant herb, not a tree. Which tropical fruit is called the king of fruits for its strong smell? Durian smells strong but tastes sweet and creamy. Which fruit surprised you the most?